Good. So my name is Alain Kaddoum. I am the general manager of Swisslog Middle East, based here in Dubai.
Okay, fantastic. So give us an idea of the Swisslog portfolio of
Sure.
solutions, the business model, commercial model. What are you doing and how are you engaging in the region?
Sure. So Swisslog, first of all, is a Swiss-based company, and we are part of the biggest robotic group, Kuka Group, and which is a German group. And so Swisslog sector or Swisslog business is focused on logistic automation. So we provide automated solution for warehousing, and we integrate end-to-end solution. We also deliver turnkey solution. We also manufacture our own product, as well as we integrate third-party logistic, automated logistic solution. And we also, on top of that, we deliver the WMS, the warehouse management software, as well.
So this Swisslog is only into logistics, or is there any other solution that you
So
provide?
let us say we have two departments. We have the healthcare department, which provide automated solution for the pharmacies, for the hospitals, and you have the logistic part, which provide automated solution for the warehouses. So basically, in the region, we are set up as a Swisslog logistic automation. We cover entire Middle East area with a main focus on the UAE and KSA market. We cover locally, from the project management, integration management, site support, and sales as well. As I told you, we also manufacture our own product in Europe and in USA and China as well. We have a factory, and here we do the integration for these solutions.
So I've seen many warehouses. I'm
Exactly.
quite impressed by the efficiency of the forklift and people moving very fast and all that. So why do we need an automated solution that you are offering?
Exactly.
Is the forklift not good enough?
No, let's say there is no bad solution. There is always what the customer need and what is the requirement. This is the base of any solution. Automation doesn't remove or cancel the manual, not at all. There is a solution which really need manual operation and other need automation. So when it goes on high throughput, when you need more speed in the operation, accurate picking, precise picking, high volume movement, here you might need automation. Other case could be if you have a tight space, you can build up to 50 meters with automation where manual forklift cannot reach. So automation has its own applications in saving space, increasing the accuracy, increasing the speed, and reducing the cost on the long term.
So tell me, the global e-commerce companies like Alibaba and
Yes.
AWS and
Yes.
eBay and all this, what is their warehousing setup?
Yeah, so basically there is, as I mentioned, so there is some warehouses are manual. Many companies they have automation. Alibaba they have automation. They have a solution which is provided by a competitor, but it's similar to what we provide internally as Swisslog as a carry pick. We call it carry pick solution. We have other players in Europe like Bragg.ch is a Swiss company, or Cash of the Day, which is an Australian company doing e-commerce, where we automate their warehouses using different solutions like AutoStore or mini load or conveyor system as well. And to link it to the region, if you would like, we also partnered with Axiom Telecom, who is doing retail and e-commerce at the same time, using one of our solutions called AutoStore, and Quick Move, which is the conveyor linking the storage solution with the shipping area. So it's a fully integrated automated solution delivered by Swisslog for Axiom in Dubai.
So how is your solution intelligent? So is it that all the bays have to have RFID, or is it geolocation? I mean, how do you actually index the bins?
Exactly. So basically, we still use very efficient and simple solution, because at the end, the simplicity it's more efficient sometimes. So we use normal 1D or 2D barcode. Every bin is tagged with a barcode, and we have scanners to identify the bins. And all the bins and the movement of the bins are monitored by the WMS, or the warehouse management system that we deliver, and we call it Sync in our Swisslog world, let us say. So any automated solution need a brain, and the brain will be the WMS to track and move the items inside the warehouse.
How do you synchronize the software with the control system? So let's assume that you have the pickup.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
how do you need to actually map the whole warehouse in the beginning? You need to map the bins in the beginning. Is that a
Exactly.
time-consuming process?
It's exactly what you pointed right. So we have, let's say, 3 layers. The first layer is the control. The second layer will be the material flow control. So we control the flow of the boxes. And the third layer will be the WMS, the warehouse management system, which will control the inventory, the order itself, the receiving order, order or the picking order, the cycle count functionalities as well. So all these software are embedded, and we have interfaces between each software to make sure we have a synchronized communication. So the first point, when you in-feed the items inside the warehouse, this is where everything starts. And from this moment, the machine will take over. So when you in-feed the goods, you put them into box, you scan the box, so the machine will know that these items are inside this box, and from this point, all will be driven by software. So the software will track the goods inside the box and the box inside the warehouse.
Is there anything, any partial shipment? So for example, if there is a container
Yes.
is fully loaded, but you want only part
Yes.
out of it.
Yes.
Does this create a problem in the software?
Not at all, because we have functionalities called partial receiving, where we can receive partial shipment. So it's absolutely a standard solution when you have a WMS. Nowadays, it's a partial, it should be a standard solution. However, even though it is a standard solution, every customer is unique. So we have the capability to also customize some functionalities based on the need of our customers. So we have the in-house knowledge, we have the software department able to deliver a standard solution as well as purely customized solution.
All the airports are now going into automated baggage system.
Yes.
There we see the camera, they're taking the picture of the
Items,
item.
yes.
And of course there is a barcode.
Yes.
So you have physical, you have numeric
Yes.
correlation in that. Is there any equivalent in the
Exactly. So what we do have in the warehouse operations, we have like 3D cameras to measure the size of the item which goes inside the bin. So we use the same more or less the same technology, but at least to identify the size of the item, so we can have better storage and more efficient storage. We can optimize the storage itself. But at the end, when it is inside the box, we just need to scan the box, because everything is transported by box, or let us say pallet as well. So box or pallet, what we call a transport unit.
So I'm now an owner of a warehouse. I'm providing warehousing as a service,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But I come to you and you tell me this solution is maybe $100,000, right? For example.
Yes.
How do I? What should I use to justify this return on investment?
Yes.
Is it speed? Is it lack of error? What is those fundamentals on which I can convince
Exactly.
myself to buy this solution?
Exactly. So let's say as a businesses, I think the main drive, let us be honest on it, is the cost of operations. So what we normally have the customer with is to make ROI calculation. So we take the initial investment of automation, which is obviously higher than manual, but we take for the running costs over the years, where normally with automated solution you can optimize your manpower or save in manpower. This will create a saving cost on your running cost per year. And here we can see the ROI can be 4, 5, 6, 7 years, depending on the cases. So this is one of the main drive when you see the saving in the running cost. The other point are the security. Imagine you are a military company, you have a stock which is really strategic, you would like to secure it. By automated solution, you make sure that the items are stored like far from the manpower accessibility. So you are looking more into the security in this case. Another application could be the space. Instead of renting a new warehouse or building a new warehouse, you can have solutions which save 50% of your footprint. So as I thought, every customer is unique, every requirement has a solution, can be driven by pure cost, can be driven by space, can be driven by security,
So
or else.
this solution will ensure that I never have to manually take inventory of the stocks, right? Does it give me that sort of comfort?
Exactly. So what we call the automated solution will have, let's say, very, very high accuracy, to not say perfect accuracy, which will not require to have stock count, which we say the wall-to-wall stock count every end of the year. This will no more be required, because your stock will be, every time you do a picking, at the same time we reconfirm the quantity inside the box. So you are doing the stock count on the go. And if you are maybe mentioning more about the manual operation inside the warehouse, we do not eliminate 100% yet the manpower. We are working on a solution like item pick that we are now exposing today in Jitex, where we have the manual picking is replaced by a robot doing the picking from the automated box to the delivery box. So here you will have 100% pure, full automated solution from shipping dock to, from receiving dock to shipping dock.
So who's your ideal partner, go-to-market partner in the region? I mean,
yeah, we have done...
What are the type of alliances you have?
Exactly. So basically, we have quite a few number of partners where we realize projects for, like My Dubai, the water bottle company. They have all the automated warehouses done by Swisslog. We have Al Marai in KSA, purely full automated warehouse as well. This is like in food and beverage. When it goes to retail e-commerce, we have Action Telecom. They signed an AutoStore solution with us, and you have like around dozen of projects so far in the region. And today we are partnering with Etisalat for the exhibition for Jitex, where we are showcasing our item pick solution. So yeah, we have quite wide range of customers, and our main segment focus are, let's say, retail e-commerce, food and beverage, pharmaceutical, and FMCG.
No, so an alliance, if you put aside the end customers, how does Etisalat help you in going to market as a partner?
Yeah, to say, so far with Etisalat, this is the first year that we partner with them into Jitex. We have quite ideas to be discussed with them. Our partnership is limited so far for Jitex exhibition, but we are in discussions for the future for other Jitex.
Tell me about the security aspect. You see, nowadays there is a lot of concern about industrial control systems.
Yes.
Being hacked through the gateway, right?
Exactly.
Because if you are interconnecting the warehouse management system, which is a digital system, with the machinery, right? If the WMS is hacked, the machinery can be hacked. And machinery, can be used as aggressive, as a combat.
Sure.
Destroy. We saw a video recently in the American airport.
The machine turning.
Control.
Exactly.
So this could have been by hack, and you can do enormous damage.
Exactly.
What is the sort of security thinking which is involved?
Yes. So basically, the security, it takes a lot of effort from our engineering department and our system engineering department to ensure high level of standard and security and the design. So every machine will have the worst case scenario or failure scenario. In case the machine doesn't stop, imagine you are having a machine of 11 ton controlled by software, and for some reason it doesn't stop. What will happen? So we have implemented mechanical solution as well as control solution to prevent this kind of accident, especially to protect the human being. This is the main, or let's say, security first. We are using standard European standard adapted to the local norms for sure, where we have fenced solution, and if you see now in our booth, we have really an item pick solution which is completely fenced. And this was one of the main topic that we discussed with Etisalat to ensure the security of the people going inside the exhibition. Because for us, the machine is still a machine, can fail, but we have to prevent in case it fails from incident, and especially to harm the people.